Good morning, my name is Sansala. I study in class 6. I'm from IISM. This lantern is made from 3 papers. This is about the Sri Lankan lantern. Happy Diwali.
India. I am from ED, IISM. This is made for Diwali. This is made of cardboard, sticks, and light. Thank you. My name is Jaden. I'm from class 6B. This is a stocking layer flower from Diwali. I made it. It has a light beneath it. And this is made of from stocking layers. Thank you. Thank you.
Hi, good morning. She's Isabel from class 1C from India International School. She has made this lantern to be submitted for the IIT competition, and this is made out of foam board, cardboard, toothpicks, and tongue depressors. So she has made this with the help of her parents. Thank you.
My name is Sinaya. I'm studying in 1C. I made this with cardboard and chart paper and color paper. Thank you. I made some. This is a flower. I put this is a tiffin. Then I stick here one day. Then I make one printed. Then I stick it. Then I stick this. This is a thread. I'm putting Thank you.
Good morning, I'm Arthi from class 8E. This is a Diwali lantern made by me. The materials required are plastic spoons, CD, cardboard, plastic flowers, and this bell is made up of plastic bottles and some wood. Thank you.